Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix DNS prop finished pair config error in Chrome. You have to open your Chrome and click on the three dots. Here you have to click on the settings option and a new tab will be open for you. You have to select the about Chrome option here and click on the update Chrome. Your Chrome will starting to be updated. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes. This process may take a while. Make sure that you watch this video until the very end. So guys, our update has been completed. Now you have to click on privacy and security and then scroll down. Here you will find an option of the clear browsing data. You have to just click on this option here, like I am selecting this one. You have to clear the data, but before it you have to select the time. You have to set it to the all time mode, then clear the data here. So after this process you have to just click on OK, got it. You have cleared the Chrome data completely to solve this issue. The next method is to delete all the temp files from our drive C. So let's move on the next method. You have to just press the window plus R and right here the percentage temp percentage. Here you will find all of the temp files selected. You have to just delete all these files. So right click on the mouse and delete all of these files from your C drive. After deleting all these temp files, your error will be resolved successfully. I hope this will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Give a like for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide.